Inside a Fulton County courtroom as jury selection in the Young Slime Life gang trial drags on and several people leave in handcuffs. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Russ Spence.
I'm Christine Spiro in for Courtney Bryant. Court adjourned early after screams were heard from one of the defendants taken to the back of the chambers.
Fox 5's Eric Perry is live outside the courthouse tonight with the latest on that. Eric?
Yeah, Russ, Christine, good evening to you. Jury selection in this trial actually began back in January. Here we are months later and not a single juror has been seated. Now, one defense attorney says incidents like what happened today only hinder the process. The expression on rapper Young Thug's face, whose legal name is Jeffrey Williams, echoes the confusion in the Fulton County courtroom as screams could be heard from a defendant behind closed doors. It happened during a recess Wednesday afternoon. Video shows a commotion inside as those who appear to be in the back get agitated and try to figure out what's happening.
Which is ridiculous. This should not happen in the middle of a trial.
Suricata Jimenez represents Cordarius Dorsey, one of 28 people named in a sweeping gang indictment accusing members of Young Slime Life of wreaking havoc across Atlanta. Jimenez says defendant Rodalius Ryan was taken to the back, but no one knows why.
And we could hear him screaming. And when you could hear the screams coming from the back, a lot of us were concerned. A lot of us stood up. Some defendants, some attorneys stood up and trying to figure out what's going on.
Then you hear this.
Hey, y'all. Hey. This is what they want y'all. Just chill.
A court official telling people to calm down. Then this video appears to show court officials handcuff two men and another before someone yells,
"Not law enforcement, go ahead and clear the courtroom."
This is just another hiccup in what's expected to be an extremely long trial. The defense attorney says it's hard to find a willing jury.
But to ask somebody to step away from their life and what they care about for 6 to 9 months, I'm surprised that there's anybody saying that's not a hardship. And that is why it's taking so long.
So once allowed back in, one of the defense attorneys told the judge they believe that the prosecutors are actually behind what happened today. He called it a spectacle and embarrassment for the court. Now, the prosecutors denied having anything to do with the outbursts or leading up to it. We do know officials have yet to confirm officially just what led up to that screaming and that evacuation. Of course, we'll continue to follow the story and bring you answers as they become available.